Morning everybody. Hopefully you can hear me. I'll try and shout. My name is Tom and today we are delighted to reveal a very special limited edition. This is to celebrate 60 years of production here at Hethel by Lotus. The collection is made up of 4 different liveries and each one is designed to represent a special period or model from the past 60 years of Lotus. These cars have been designed by Russell Carr and Anthony Bushell and brought to life by the manufacturing, the paint teams, the engineering teams here at Lotus. So before we reveal the cars, I should just say these are prototypes. The exteriors are representative, the interiors are not yet complete. So the first car, this is the center car of the collection. So the collection is centered on this car, which is a very special car from our past. It's based on the 56B, the only turbine-powered Formula 1 car. And the car you see here is called Turbine Gold. It features bespoke satin gold paint, bespoke motorsport black rear, and as you can see, a bespoke livery with bespoke hand-painted details on the side. Okay. Moving on to the next car. So this car is called Chapman Silver and is based on Colin Chapman's last company car, which was an Esprit. The paint is a bespoke silver paint called Esprit Silver, and you can see the red livery mimicking the Turbine Gold car next to it. What this doesn't show at this point is the interior will be a new red Alcantara interior, which is completely bespoke to this car as well and reflective of Chapman's last company car. Okay, this one probably doesn't need too much of introduction. Very much based on JPS style livery. This is called JPS Black. And it features Motorsport Black, which is a bespoke black paint colour with gold fleck in it. And it has bespoke wheels, which are diamond turned with gold centres. This is very much reflective of the liveries you would have seen in the 70s on the famous Formula 1 cars like Type 72, Type 79. Okay, and on to the final car. So again, hopefully immediately you can see the livery that this one is based on. This is called Gold Leaf, made very famous by cars like the Type 49, also road cars like Elan. So this features a vivid red front and a gloss white rear with a gold stripe down the middle. It also features the same hand-painted craftsmanship like the gold Hethel logo on the front and the Union Jack on the front. So that's the 4 cars. Feel free to have a look around. Could I just ask that you don't open the doors? So thank you very much.